Hello beauties. Today, I'm thrilled to share my review of the L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Serum, a personal favorite of mine. This serum contains 1.0% glycolic acid, making it a gentle exfoliant perfect for beginners. It works by removing off dead skin cells, revealing a glowing and bright complexion underneath. This dermatologist-tested serum is lightweight and non-sticky, making it a pleasure to use both morning and evening. Simply apply it after cleansing and before moisturizing. The serum is particularly beneficial for those struggling with pigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. You can expect to see visible results in just 2 weeks. On a personal note, I've been dealing with dark spots and bumpy skin. This serum has worked wonders for me, smoothing out my skin and making it healthier and plumper. I've seen visible results within 2 weeks, and I'm absolutely loving it. In a nutshell, it's like having a dermatologist in a bottle. While it's suitable for all skin types, the active ingredient, glycolic acid, is an exfoliating agent. Therefore, I would recommend this serum to those aged 20 and above. Remember, it's crucial to follow up this serum with a good moisturizer and a sunscreen of at least SPF 50 in the mornings. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, lovelies.